Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna cook another dish. It's gonna be spare ribs. So I'm not sure exactly what kind of recipe it's going to be, but let's see. So see you around. Okay, so this is the spare ribs. So this is pork, right? So pork spare ribs. So we got onions and garlic. We got brown sugar, garlic, pineapple juice, soy sauce, black peppercorns, ginger, and this is what we do with the garlic.
This is garlic. For marinade.
So we're gonna mix them all together. So this will serve as the marinade. We're marinating the spare ribs. Okay, this recipe will come out as sweet and spicy. So we can mix everything by hand. You marinate it for about 30 minutes.
But best did 1 hour.
Now if you can marinate it for 1 hour, it would be best. You forgot the garlic. Okay, so we just added the garlic. We forgot it earlier. And it's best to mix it every 10 minutes. If you want it spicier, you can cut up a few chilies and put it into the mix. So we're gonna wait for 30 minutes so that the marinade will go into the meat. Alright, so we're now simmering the spare ribs. And as you can see, still not quite hot. And we've got chilies here. So we're gonna add this chili a little later. This will stay here for about 30 minutes or 40. Okay, look at that. It's getting ready. It's boiling. How many more minutes?
50.
Okay, we'll leave this for another 15 minutes. Okay, we're almost ready. So we're gonna separate the meat, put the meat here, and we're gonna put the sauce in here. So the broth, yes. Why?
To make the sauce.
Yeah, so the broth will serve as the sauce later. So it's gonna be thickened up a bit. Okay, we're separating the meat now. Okay, last two inside. Okay, we've turned on this stove to get it ready. Okay, so we are going to put the sauce in here into this wok. Okay, careful. It's hot. It's boiling hot. Okay, so this will thicken after a few minutes. How long?
Boil it.
Are we going to put this chili now?
No. For it to thicken,
Now to thicken
you
it,
will
we're going to add some cornstarch. So we're adding about a teaspoon of cornstarch. If you want it to be thicker, add some more.
Tagal to.
Okay, it's been a few minutes and it's now thicker. So the sauce is now thicker. And we are adding oyster sauce to enhance the flavor of the sauce. Can we show this? So this is the oyster sauce that we're using. This is not sponsored, but this is okay. May wolf pa. They're watching TV, cartoons. That's the source of the wolf sound. Now we're adding the chili. It's important to add the chili. So this will bring out the flavor of the sauce.
Hindi ko lala.
Look, we need more chili.
Eh, wait. Let's need...
No, give it more chili. No, this isn't enough. Look, we left some of the chili on the spoon. There. And should also add some pepper. It's not enough.
Ang dami na yun. Tingnan mo puro pepper.
Ah, meron ka na dito? Oo nga pala. Now, we're going to add the meat back. Get the meat. So we're adding the spare ribs into the sauce. So we mix the meat into the sauce. So no vegetables. If you want, you can put some vegetables. Asparagus.
Yep.
Or maybe some leafy greens. Or maybe broccoli. Might not look that colorful, but if you want to add some vegetables like broccoli, some leafy greens, you can do it. And even bell pepper. Serving time.
Kain na!
Okay, so we're gonna have some of the spare ribs. Add some of the sauce on the rice. And okay. I'm gonna take a bite now. I'm gonna taste this sweet and spicy spare ribs. Oh, hot. Oh, that's very flavorful. It's all got the different tastes. It's sweet, it's sour, it's spicy. Everything's in there. It's salty. And delicious.
Dito yung coke mo. Napag-aalataan ka.
Perfect.
Kaya na! Ang hangloy. Natikman mo na to? Siyempre kay daddy, hindi mama.